Hi dear students, welcome back to the science class. Today we are moving to our new chapter, that is our life supports. Can you imagine our earth without the oxygen or without air? We cannot even stay for a little minutes without the air. Of course we need oxygen or air for breathing. And water is also an important thing in our life. If you stay a little time for thirsty, you know the difficulty. So, in this chapter we are going to study about the two main life supports, that is air and water. All the living things, they need air to breathe. Not only human beings, all the living things need air to breathe. And we can even stay for a little time without breathing. And plants, we have studied that they need carbon dioxide for preparing food. And carbon dioxide, you know, it's also present in the air. It is one of the gases that is present in the air. So, now itself air, we can say it is a life support for us. Now, let us go into the atmosphere. Of course, you may have heard of this atmosphere. But do you know what is this atmosphere? A thick blanket of air that covers the Earth's surface is known as atmosphere. So, everywhere there is air. All around the earth there is air. And the air is forming a thick blanket around the surface of the air, and we call it as atmosphere. So, remember, the thick blanket of air that surrounds the earth is known as atmosphere. This atmosphere, it has the air we breathe, then the clouds, rain, even the wind. There are many uses of this atmosphere. Of course, it contains the air. There are also some other uses which you may not have noticed. That is, first one is it also prevents the air, or it also protects the air from becoming too cold or too hot. If it is too cold or if it is too hot, we cannot survive, or the living things cannot survive. So, the atmosphere is also helping or protecting the earth from becoming too cold or too hot. Now, second one is that they protects the living things or protects our earth from harmful rays from the sun. Of course, you know the sun is a hot boiling gas and it produces all the heat around the universe. And some of these rays or some of these radiations produced by the sun is very harmful, and the atmosphere blocks these harmful radiations and it protects all the living things from the earth from these harmful radiations. So the atmosphere, they also protect us from harmful radiations or harmful rays from the sun. Then they also prevent the meteors reaching the earth's surface. You know, there are many solid substances in the outer space that is moving around. So, when these substances enter the atmosphere, due to the gases present in the atmosphere, they burn and turn out into ashes, and it prevents these solid hard substances reaching the earth. So, we can say the atmosphere, it also prevents the meteors from reaching the earth's surface. Now, let us go some detail into the air. So first and foremost, you know, air is used for breathing. And the air which we breathe inside is known as inhaled or inspired air, and the air which we breathe out is known as exhaled or expired air. And you know what happens when we breathe in? This air or oxygen enters into our lungs and goes into the heart, and from there it is mixed with the blood, and blood carries the oxygen to different parts of the body. And the carbon dioxide present in the blood that reaches back to the heart is given out while we are breathing out. Breathing in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide. And the air we breathe in is known as inspired or inhaled air, and the air which we breathe out is known as expired or exhaled air. Now second, it also helps in burning. Okay, it's also one of the important use of the air. The air, they also help in burning. to make you understand that, we can do a simple experiment. Okay, just take a candle, then light the candle and keep it some time. Of course, you can see the candle is burned. And after that, just take a glass and cover the candle. And you can see the candle, it is burning for a little more time. After that, the light is gone. It will burn a little more time till the air that is present in the glass is used by the candle for burning. After that, there is no more air inside the glass, and of course the candle light is gone. So, with this simple experiment, you can easily understand burning, it requires the air. And finally, there are also some other uses of air. That is, moving air is of course needed for kites, gliders, parachutes, etc. And the moving air is also even needed for the sailboats, and it's also filled in different boats, basketballs, then footballs, etc. And even in the tubes of vehicles or tires of the vehicles, and even moving the blades of windmill, which is used to produce electricity. So these are the different uses of air. So I hope now you understood the importance of air and what are the main uses of air. So thank you all, and we will meet again in our next class.